then a village. Not like villages like, you know, like the real life villages. No, like there's this game called Minecraft and there's a village in that, and I actually really like those. And that defender is an iron golem, and then the pillager outpost defender is a ravager. So we're going to be talking about them. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So let's get right into it. So I saw this guy called Steven, and I didn't know what Steven was doing in like my world. Apparently he was on an island and there was like a lot of mobs there. I don't know why, but I think they're supposed to be called animals. funny how I say that. I don't know, right? I'm a funny guy, so I like saying jokes. Anyways, move on with the story that I'm telling you right now. And then there's this shape, like over here, yeah, like a line over here, and then with a line not down like over here, how I'm facing right now, and then someone put a pumpkin on it, and I was like, what the heck is going on? And then it formed a monster, and I screamed, but that monster was not actually a monster. It was actually a good guy. I actually liked him like really much. He had like flowers over here, which I was like confused how he got those flowers, because it was like very iron and then a pumpkin on top, and he has an iron face, a freaking and then a freaking iron face. So I did understand what it was doing, but he had like black hats. I don't get why he had black hats. And then it was like covered with laser. Now for the next one that I'm going to be talking about, this drawing that you can see on screen, like somewhere over like here or there or there or here. Who knows? And then, I mean, you guys know, because you're watching this video and I can't see it because I'm doing this video right now in real life. So I really like how I did like the drawing of the iron golem. Like I think it's like really good. Also it lagged when I was drawing this. It was like a real pain. I like hate when it lagged. Freaking lag. Okay. Freaking lag. Said freaking laughed. Okay. And now I'm like doing the same, which is like good. I mean like just making it like realistic. Like just making it like look good. I mean like making your drawings look good. I suggest shading. Also if you want to do a realistic drawing, like like I don't know. I don't know what I even talk about right now. I'm getting distracted so much from this drawing. Freaking, I don't even know. Yeah, I don't even know. Let's just ignore that. Let's just say that no one like heard that, right? And that's all it for the Iron Golem. That's what that guy's name was. His name was the Iron Golem. And then I was looking what Steven was like doing. It was like just chilling out like this. It was like sitting back on, I guess, grass. Steven, you need to learn how to make a sofa or a chair, bro. You seriously need to learn that, okay? Steven, please learn that. You're so uncomfortable. And then, like, a raid started! Ah! A raid! You guys probably don't know what a raid is. And then this guy, and not a guy, and then this rhino came up and was like, whoa! Funny, right? And then he started combing his neck and destroying me! No! But I fight back with my power and destroy him! Also, like, that's all for the drawing. with those drawings that we did. I'm actually really happy how those drawings turned out. I think they're great, and if you like those drawings, drop a like and subscribe. And I'll see you. Bye-bye!